Who's doing the valves?
I did valves already, but he can learn.
Alright, his valves.
Oh, dude, come on. I did a good job on yours, so don't fuck mine up here.
He doesn't know what you did though.
Yeah,
That's
you
true.
gotta tell me.
All right, basically set the valves in here.
Try not to blast the area that counts. So just blast the head off here.
In here? Okay.
Just the head.
Then after you do that, you flip it over and do this side real quick. Try not to blast the glove directly because it eats the gloves up. The gloves are expensive. You do one at a time. Okay. Lay them over there when you're done, then you blow them off. Don't screw them all up or you got to buy them new valves.
Yeah.
They come with Harley, so you have to wait 3 weeks to get them.
Yeah.
That's your head.
What do you do? Fucking just aim and shoot?
It's a gun. Shoot it toward what matters.
You're a boy. You should know how to do that already.
Don't shoot it at me.
So
Don't look at it and turn the
don't
trigger
shoot at
on.
the glass.
And then you just do this right here?
Yeah. One at it.
Okay.
Don't hold it one place too long.
Okay.
Look the trigger.
Use your fingers to just rotate it, like spin it in your fingers, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
What'd you miss? That's good. How's the other side? Get all the spots? There you go. It's hard.
What is this? I remember my first time.
What, about an hour ago?
Yeah. No, actually, I think it was,
In Nam?
I was in Japan. I had to do some H-links. I'm big sexy. Hit it,
What
bro.
do you think?
Think it could be
More?
better.
Yeah.
You'll see, it'll change. It'll change color drastically. That looks good.
This side's good?
As long as it looks clean, yeah. You'll see, it'll get clean. That's good.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay. Alright.
Did you blow them off already?
Blow them off? How? What do you mean?
There's another hose to your left.
Yeah, hose over there.
Oh, okay.
Roll it on down.
Grab your other hose. There's one.
One. One all in.
There's two.
Did the light make it worse?
No, I see it. It's not okay. Yeah, it's cool. Feels bad, boys.
Yeah,
Other's just as good, bro.
Look at the before and after the head.
Look at that. Suave's chop shop quality, baby. Good. Good stuff. Of course, you gotta get one for the feed.
Screwdriver to get that gasket out of there. Let's go find me one.
Can you get his flathead?
Give me the big one on the workbench up there.
You're running.
That's all powder coat.
Really?
Yep. They powder coat the whole head first, then they do all the machining.
Did not know that.
That's powder coat right there. It's the intake part. There's no carbon on the intake. But there's powder coat.
The big one.
Open the door up. My gasket out. Jam it in there. Get the big one. Jam it in sideways and fall up.
Don't jack my hands up, dude.
Huh?
Make sure my other head doesn't have a gasket in it.
Now I can blast that nasty area off right there. That's it. Everything else is powder coat. Get rid of that Scream Eagle thing there, I can blow that right off for you.
No, don't do that. Well, I guess I'm gonna need new badges anyway, since it's gonna be a 111 now.
I don't think they make that badge, do they?
So you get that next head ready?
Are you gonna do yours?
Yeah, give it a shot.
Okay, when you do the gasket here,
Yeah, I got a gasket out.
start out here, blow in until you get to the edge. Don't blast on top of this here.
Don't hit the black, basically.
So you go like this. Can you see where the edge of it is?
Yeah.
So you don't go out here and blast out there. So start here, come back into it and see the edge. Move around on the gasket, don't hold it one spot. You put a little dimple in it. Just come in, move it around a lot, don't hold it one spot.
Just paint it, basically.
It's not as bad as the sand was, but it will still heat it up.
Alright.
So that one looks like crap.
So was that.
You didn't do that one yet. That one's done. Got junk everywhere. Okay, it's a rocker switch. Goes like this. Push down. Sometimes it stays down, sometimes it doesn't. While you blast the powder coat. Hey.
Yeah.
Look at the angle you're holding the head. That ain't how I was holding it. Remember how I did it?
Yeah, flat.
Okay, which edge was I blasting? The left, right side. You're blasting left side, so all your shit's blowing on the top of your fins over there. So you're taking the color off your black fins.
So you want me to hit it this way, basically?
Well, look how the crap comes out of the gun. You can see how it's coming out. See, now you're blasting 100 degrees off the other side. Rotate the head. Come get the gasket surface. Come back toward you. With the gun. You already did that area. The gasket, blast the gasket surface. You're doing the combustion chamber. And now you're doing the outside of the fins again. See the stream coming out? You gotta look where it goes. The after-wash cut. There you go. Pick up on it. Go back and get that piece. Alright. So don't worry about the powder coat. Okay, you're good on the head gasket. Get down the port now.
Down in here?
On the intake port. There's no carbon on the intake port, so the black is powder coat. Just clean it up. Down inside the port by the bomb drive box. That's powder coat. There you go. Tilt it up. Rotate the head around where you want it to be. Do the intake or do that. You want to do that side?
Sure.
Okay. Hit it. See all that black inside the intake port?
Yeah.
That's powder coat. It don't come off. Let's get the aluminum clean. Blasting all your powder coat off. See that black going away on the outside now?
Yeah.
Well, you got the gun running. Got it on off switch. Alright, look out when you finish it. Just screwing it all up. 80% of blasting, you're blasting powder coat.
So powder coat doesn't come off.
It does come off. It falls too.
But it's harder.
It still comes off. So, when you're blasting this way, that stream goes out like a fan that way.
Right.
So when you're blasting over here for some reason, it's taking all the powder coat over here too.
Gotcha.
So you're supposed to come back this way and catch your edge over here. And rotate the head so you're only blasting right here. You're over here blasting over here and all the overspray is catching everything over there. Clean that transmission case way over there. It's getting blasted too. That stuff comes out like that. Just think of like a spray wash of water. It goes everywhere.
Okay.
Now what you didn't do is you didn't clean the intake port over here because you can still see it's all dull. See it's all dull around the seat?
Mm-hmm.
Because you didn't get the carbon off it's right there. See how the stream is blasting toward me? Now if I tilt that up like that and blast right there, guess what happens? Blasts me right here and my screen don't work no more.
Gotcha.
You have to pay attention to where your spray is going. You're done, shut it off. Don't bring it back like this and blast everything inside. So now you look on the exhaust port, because that's where I just blasted. That bowl looks good. The intake looks good through there. Now, when you rotate around this way, I can get to this part of the port right here. I don't want this blasted toward me, so I turn the head this way. It blasts that direction. Otherwise, the glass gets all eaten up. It gets eaten up enough already. I don't have to see what I'm doing over there. I'm just cleaning.
Right.
If there's any loose powder coat, it would have came off. Nothing came off. So there's nothing loose.
Yeah. Yep.
Up under here, you're looking up under your valve bowl, way up underneath under there. On the short side up under there. Right there is where I'm shooting. See that little carbon that used to be up here with my fingers on the bottom? It's gone now. Around the valve guide bowl looks good. See how you took all the black off right there?
Yeah.
Go look at the one I did, it's still sitting there because I didn't blast that area. Now if your studs are all rusty, you can blast in, but then all the overspray hits everything around, so I don't like doing that if I don't have to.
Look new again.
Keeping it loose down in there. Nope. And it's not coming out, so we're leaving it. Okay. Alright, you already did that side. Now see all those marks on there from rubbing around?
Yep.
Same thing happens on the other side. This table's rough. It hasn't been blasted clean yet. I like blasting valve guides so I get all the crap off so the seals can stick to it. They stick good to metal, not a bunch of other crap. But you try not to go down the hole too much because that's a finished surface on there. You got to pay attention to your overspray. Alright. Looks good. Now you got to blow out all the holes. Get all the loose beads off. See how the white goes away? Alright, next one. Laying up. You gonna screw up yours like this, you want me to do it?
Oh, I want you to do
Oh, that will come out. Totally get. So that's black stuff in there is powder coated. I guess that stuff don't come out.
Oh, yeah?
Well, sometimes it doesn't, but basically what he explained is that they powder coat them and then they'll machine them. All the cuts and stuff. So that explains all that stuff.
I was wondering what the difference is. Like, I don't have shit on mine.
Yeah. You have to tell where I smoke checked it a little bit.
Huh? Oh, you got these a little bit? Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah.
Little buff.
I'm gonna clean these right now.
Who's gonna be able to look in there? Nobody.
I'm gonna clean these right now.
Thanks, man.
These right here?
Yeah.
They're all sanded.
Right on. All in all, not a bad day. We clean these, so these are good now. Now we just gotta cut them. And ready to roll.